Hey everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to uninstall Bigo Live app. So let's get started. First, launch open Play Store on your mobile device. In the search bar, type in Bigo Live and perform your search. Tap on Bigo Live app. Tap on the uninstall button, which is right next to open button. If you are sure, tap on uninstall once again. And this is how you can uninstall Bigo Live app. Thanks for watching Web Solution. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.